Om is a sacred and powerful sound in Hinduism, Buddhism, and other Eastern spiritual traditions. It is believed to be the primal and universal sound that reverberates throughout the cosmos, representing the essence of reality and ultimate truth. Chanting the sound Om is a spiritual practice that helps to connect with the divine and transcend mundane consciousness. The sound of Om consists of 3 syllables, A, U, and M. When chanted, these syllables merge together, creating a harmonious and resonant vibration. The syllable A represents the beginning and creation, U stands for ongoing existence and sustenance, and M symbolizes the dissolution and end. Combined, they encompass the entire cycle of existence. Chanting Om has a profound impact on the human psyche. It has a calming and soothing effect on the mind, releasing stress and anxiety. The vibrations produced during Om chanting resonate within the body, creating a sense of inner peace and harmony. It also activates and balances the energy centers, or chakras, in the body, promoting overall well-being. Moreover, the repetitive chanting of Om helps to focus the mind, inducing a meditative state. It allows one to experience a deep connection with the divine and access higher states of consciousness. Om chanting is often practiced during meditation, yoga, or in spiritual gatherings to enhance spiritual growth and cultivate mindfulness. In summary, the chanting of the sound Om carries a profound spiritual significance. It serves as a vehicle to transcend the limitations of the physical world and connect with the divine. Through Om chanting, one can experience inner peace, harmony, and spiritual awakening, leading to a deeper understanding of oneself and the universe.